about to draw vertebrates. What are vertebrates? Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. There are 5 classes. Mammals, like the polar bear. Birds, like the eagle. Reptiles, like the snake. Amphibians, like a frog. And also we have fish, like a whale shark. And here you have another vertebrate. What is it? Me, of course. Humans are vertebrates. We belong to the mammals group, like polar bears. And if you look out your window, you might see a few birds. Definitely not a bird of prey. In case you're lucky, you might see even lizards. Or if you look near water, you might see frogs, eggs, or you might see their babies. They're called tadpoles. And you might see fish in the sea or in the water. The whale shark is the biggest fish. I know you might have taught an orca or a whale or a dolphin are fish, but no. You might have thought this is a mammal, but no, it's actually a fish. Whales are mammals, same with orcas and dolphins. But sharks are actually mammals. I mean, fish. And they swim in the sea. Today, we're going to learn about how to make the frilled shark. It's a type of shark that has a long tail, big teeth, but it's very small and it looks blue. It's the first animal we're going to make today. Okay, ready? Let's do it. So for the frilled shark, we're going to make head like it's a jar that's broke a bit, but then make a little hump with your finger at the bottom and then add teeny teeth, just like this. Make a rounded eye and then make the body and the tail. You might think the tail is meant to be big, but it's actually very thin. Now, next, we're going to make the little fin at the bottom, like this. And then we're going to make the fin underneath. It has lots of humps underneath. And then we're going to make the fins on the tail. It has a lot, actually. Okay, now, guess what we're going to do? Colour our picture in. And then we'll turn it to life. How we turn it to life? Well, I'll show you soon. So first, we're going to colour with our light blue. It's lighter than our dark blue. For the light blue, let's do the face. Look how nice my paints are. They're called paint sticks. Inside the sticks are paint. You can use crayons, pens or pencils. Depends which one you have. And also for the tail fins you need to use it, not the body fins, only tail. Now for the rest of it, you're going to use darker blue because you don't need it to be that light. You can do every single part except the face and tail fins. And after that, guess what we're going to do? We can't turn our picture to life. This time I don't have a frilled shark. But luckily, soon I might have one. And the zebra... Okay, enough with all the stuff and stuff. Okay, now I'm going to show you. This is our picture. If you're looking on the other side, this is it. Okay, see you next time. Remember to subscribe to my channel.